왜 이렇게 막히지?
Why is it so jammed?
Why is it so jammed?
Why is it so jammed?
어떻게 알았어?
How did you find out?
How did you find out?
How did you find out?
왜 이렇게 버벅거리지?
Why is it lagging so much?
Why is it lagging so much?
Why is it lagging so much?
오늘 처음 왔어요.
It's my first time here today.
It's my first time here today.
It's my first time here today.
오늘은 날씨가 겠네.
The sky has cleared up today.
The sky has cleared up today.
The sky has cleared up today.
오늘 뭐 하기로 했지?
What did we plan to do today?
What did we plan to do today?
What did we plan to do today?
주차 어떻게 해야 해요?
How should I park here?
How should I park here?
How should I park here?
목이 너무 말라.
I'm so thirsty.
I'm so thirsty.
I'm so thirsty.
주방 세제 다 떨어졌어.
We're out of dish soap.
We're out of dish soap.
We're out of dish soap.
장 보러 가야 해.
I need to go grocery shopping.
I need to go grocery shopping.
I need to go grocery shopping.
우리 뭐 사야 해?
What do we need to buy?
What do we need to buy?
What do we need to buy?
그거 샀어야 했는데.
I should have bought that.
I should have bought that.
I should have bought that.
기름 넣고 가자.
Let's fill up the tank.
Let's fill up the tank.
Let's fill up the tank.
너 정말 최고야.
You rock.
You rock.
You rock.
본인 열어봐.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
득템 제대로 했네.
What a haul.
What a haul.
What a haul.
전혀 모르겠어.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
꼭 그렇진 않아.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
너나 잘해.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
나 완전 피곤해.
I'm totally wiped out.
I'm totally wiped out.
I'm totally wiped out.
그건 말도 안 돼.
That doesn't make sense.
That doesn't make sense.
That doesn't make sense.
너 덕분에 기분 좋아졌어.
You made my day.
You made my day.
You made my day.
진짜 깜짝 놀랐어.
You scared me to death.
You scared me to death.
You scared me to death.
그건 아무것도 아니야.
It's no big deal.
It's no big deal.
It's no big deal.
난 그 말 안 믿어.
I'm not buying it.
I'm not buying it.
I'm not buying it.
딱 원하던 거야.
That hits the spot.
That hits the spot.
That hits the spot.
명심할게.
I'll keep that in mind.
I'll keep that in mind.
I'll keep that in mind.
깜빡했어.
It slipped my mind.
It slipped my mind.
It slipped my mind.
뭐라고 감사를 드려야 할지 모르겠네요.
I can't thank you enough.
I can't thank you enough.
I can't thank you enough.
그건 전혀 몰랐어.
I had no clue.
I had no clue.
I had no clue.